It's unboxing time again. These are the things that we will open today for our unboxing time. Keep on watching, guys. Hi guys, it's me again, MJ, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel. And please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. So we will do the unboxing of these two things here that I bought from Tobo, and we will open this and we will see what is inside. Let's check it out. I bought this microphone stand and a ring light stand, actually. A microphone stand and a ring light stand. So, oops. She's mad again. Oh, why are you mad? She's mad again. Every time when I do the unboxing, she will. I don't know why. What's wrong? Come here, come here. Come here, baby. Oh, why are you mad? Why are you mad? Say hi to them. Hi everyone. Hi guys. Mama will do unboxing again. Say hi. Huh? You don't like Mama to do the unboxing? She's shaking. I don't know why. Maybe she's scared. Okay, I'll put you down, girl. Okay. Mama, you just stay there. Hi! She just watched at me. She's so cute. Mama will do the unboxing, okay? So we will just stay with Mama. You'll just stay here. Okay? Just watch Mama do the unboxing. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so these are the things that I bought in Tobo in China. So this is from China, and this is the ring light. It's the small size of the ring light, and we will try to see if this is worth it or not. Okay, so this is so cheap, guys. I think only for two of this 27 RMB. So 27 RMB, we will see if it's okay or not. I didn't open it yet, so we will see it. So they said it's a microphone stand, but actually you can use it also as a stand to put your mobile and the ring light. So it's like microphone stand and a ring light stand. So we will try to see first this microphone stand. They said it's microphone stand, so I don't know. I just saw it. I just saw the picture of it and it's nice, so that's why I bought it. So how to open this? Every time when I open the things, I don't know how to open. Okay, let's see. So what is this? Oh, this is the base. Let's try to see. Oh. So, this one will be at the bottom, and this is like this. You cannot see. Okay, I'll put it here so that you can see. This, I'll put this here first. And then the other one, this is the stand. Okay. Excited. Hello, my guest. So how to do it? Okay. What we have to do is we will put it here like this, turning around, and it's like that. And then to make it higher, yeah. No.
Oh no!
It's so small. Yeah, but maybe I'm not doing the right thing. Let me see. Yeah, it's only this. No more. Oh, no more. So it means it's so cute. It's so small. Let me see. I still have. Let's try to see. My goodness. Let me see. Oh. Oh, you see, it can be. She's mad again. Why are you mad? Come here. So it can be longer. She's mad. Come here, baby. Come here, Cookie. Come here. You want to go to the bed again? You want to sleep? Wait. She wants to sleep. My goodness, she wants to go to the bed. Hey. Okay, it's like that. So, She's mad at me. Why? So it looks like this the stand. So you can put the microphone stand or the ring light, to secure the ring light. We will see. So this is the ring light, guys. We'll put this aside. Why? And this is it. Yeah. Nothing inside. She's mad. Okay. So this is the ring light. This is the thing that we will put here. So it goes like this. Let me see. Yes. Like that. It's nice. Okay. Turn around, turn around, turn around. I don't know, maybe I don't know if it's right. So let's try to see. Oh, what's this for? Okay. Ah, yeah, it can turn. It will turn. You just loosen it and then it will turn. Then it won't move if you will tighten it. Oh, it's nice. My goodness. And then this is the light. So there's a button in it. Okay, we will try to see if what's the function of this. What's the function of this? I don't know. We need again another charger adapter. Okay, so this is it. We will try to put like this.
Yeah.
Huh? Or let me see. Because there's no manual in it. Yeah, there's no manual. This is crazy because there's no manual. You have to do it by yourself. DIY. Okay, so this is it. How come they didn't give me a manual?
Duh.
Okay, so this is it. What is this? Oh! How to do this? No? Okay. So crazy. So what you have to do is you just have to secure it here. Turn around, turn around. Oh my goodness. Okay, so just have to turn. Oh! Turn around every now and then again, a little bit crazy and never coming right. Turn. I don't know what I'm singing. Okay, so this is it. Oh, stop moving first, please. Okay, we'll secure it first. And it goes like this. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's moving, it's moving. What's good thing in it? Because it will move 360 degrees. So it's nice. And let's try to see if we can fix it like this. And yeah, it's nice. Okay, so this is it. And then this is for... It can bend? Yeah, it can bend. So the good thing is it can bend. So we can just do like this. Okay, so I need to get my other phone. Let me see. How to... Okay, we'll make it straight first so that it can be turned around. Wow! Okay, so, yeah. Okay, so it goes like this. It's nice, I like it. But the light is so small. So you can just have to do like this. Yeah, and tighten this one. You need to tighten this so that it will not move. Okay, so try to see. I got the charger. Okay, like this. I need to get the charger. So, and it's a USB port. So, we'll just try. So. The switch is here, so we'll try to see. I'll let it be like that. So, you see, guys, so bright. Wow! And then you can make the light, you can adjust the light. If you don't want to be so bright, then you can just adjust it, and then you can go brighter. Yeah, the brightest one. So that is the brightest one. It's nice actually. And this one, what is this? Ah, you can change the color of it. Wow, 1, 2, 3 colors. So this is very nice. This is very nice. So this is the button. This is if you want to adjust the lesser light and the brightest light, the bright light, more bright light is this button, and then this one is if you want to change the color. If you want to change the color of the light. See guys, it's so amazing. And it's cheap, you know. 27 RMB is cheap. Oh, this is the on and off. It's nice, I like it. And we will try to see mobile if it fits here. Okay, I'll try to see my iPhone. I'll try to put my iPhone here. So difficult. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. So let's see. Let's try to see if what's the effect. It's nice. Oh, okay. Let me see. This is good for TikTok. Guys, this is good for when you do the makeup. Yeah, makeup tutorial, or doing the makeup thing, or mixing something, or you make it closer. Like, yeah, it's very nice. Actually, it's very nice. I don't like the color. Change the color. Yes, I like this. Yes, it's not painful in the eyes. Yeah, it's like this. It's nice. So it looks like this, guys. So it's nice. It's nice. Yeah, and it can be turned upside down like that. When you do the cooking like that, when you record the cooking. But you have to be sure that your phone it must be balanced. Or I think you need to put something heavy here so that it won't. We'll put something that is heavy. Peanut! Put there. Like that! So it's nice, Okay, so it's very nice and it's worth it. It's worth it. I like it. So this ring light stand is very good. Yeah, it's very good if you do like makeup tutorials, or you just talk in front of the camera like this, like me when I do the tutorial. I think this is good because it makes my face so bright, and yeah, it's nice. I like it. So this is very useful also if you are doing like a tutorial, just face on your camera. The camera already have light in there and it makes your face like bright, and it's nice. It's nice. So very useful. This tool is very useful. Once you are a YouTuber, you must have like this. And it's very cheap, guys. I don't know how much in your place, but here in China, it's so cheap. Because I am here in Macau and we are so close to China. We can just order it through internet, so that is why we can purchase it. And it's nice. I like it. Good. So it's very nice and I like it. So this is it. And that's all for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoy watching this. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. And as I always say, guys, live a life to the fullest and be happy always, and God bless us all. See you next time on my next video. Bye!